Aren't rivers brilliant? They're fantastic, aren't they? Aren't reeds brilliant? Hi, I'm Paul Whitehouse and I'm here with Get Your Guide on the River Test. One of the most idyllic fishing spots in the country. Welcome aboard. Who needs some casting demonstrations? Well, there you are. What a masterclass that was. That's why they call it fishing, not catching. That's good because you put some power into it. Little wild brown trout.
Very good.
Well done, Tom. Of course, I told you to cast there, didn't I?
You did.
It's a classic chalk stream with gin-clear water, beautiful surroundings, and some truly wonderful pumps.
Right, guys, so what we're going to do is plank some fish.
That's a nice term for nailing fish to some wood, isn't it?
Pretty much, yeah. We'll get you guys to do this. We're just going to hammer it in and then repeat the process. So, guys, we're going to make 5 from scratch. So you've got your lovely planked trout cooked over the fire under some lovely aromatics.
Register to win at getyourguide.co.uk.